Welcome! In today's video, we'll discuss office desk organization, which is an important step in increasing workplace safety. Proper desk organization not only boosts your work efficiency, but also ensures workplace safety. Now, let's explore some tips for organizing your office desk to create a safer working environment. Good desk organization enhances work efficiency and reduces stress. Additionally, a tidy desk streamlines your workflow and helps you easily find important documents. As the first step, clean your desk and remove unnecessary items. Keep only the items you use daily on your desk and store the rest in drawers or on shelves. Ensure that your desk and chair are ergonomic. Your chair's height and back support should be properly adjusted. The height of your desk should allow your elbows to be at a 90-degree angle. Store your documents and files in an organized manner. You can easily differentiate your documents by using colored folders or labels. There you have it. With a few simple steps, you can enhance your work efficiency by organizing your office desk. Remember, a tidy desk not only improves your workflow, but also contributes positively to your mental well-being. Thank you.